12 hilarious tattoo fails that are, well, they were fucking journey. 1. There's this constellation of stars. 2. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. 3. Now that's what I call a whale tail. 4. They got a nickel on their back. 5. He must guard multiple families. 6. That's not the same. 7. What am I even supposed to read here? 8. This tattoo is permanent till death do them part. 9. Wow, this is a next level back tattoo? 10. I labeled my 3th nipple too. 11. Is it me or is the heat on high? 12. This clock seems to be a little off.